Okay guys, I have my spoon and I'm gonna eat my next Dutch Mill, which is day 3. Okay, I just put a juice there, but I'm not gonna eat it. I'm gonna go get the mango. Mango is actually very yummy, you know. It might actually be the yummiest one. Yeah. So let's open it with scissors. Go. Done. And now I'm gonna record myself eating it. Guys, I rate this a 10 over 10.